Okay, today I'm going to show you the quality of the Logitech power amp speakers that you can buy from Logitech for the PSP. And I'm going to compare it with the computer sound. You're going to see it's very crystal clear and the sound is loud enough for outside environment and things like that, you know. Okay. Okay, and now on the PC, from 30 seconds of the song, the same bit actually. Okay, I hope this will help you to decide if you're gonna buy these speakers or not. They're very portable and outside it sounds amazing. It's very cool.